where you come and learn about the beverages that are consumable each and every day.
On matters health now, the Council of Governors wants the national government to take over the payment of doctors who go on study leave, insisting it is becoming extremely strenuous for counties to continue paying doctors who are not of service to the counties at the time. According to the CoG Health Committee Chair and Tharaka Nithi Governor Muthomi Njuki, the national government taking up the mantle, albeit for a short time, would free up the payroll for the recruitment of temporary doctors at the same level of qualifications to fill the gap. And the governor spoke when he received midwifery training models, donation that will be used to train medical students at the county's universities and colleges.
Therefore, because of that lacuna, it becomes a challenge for the counties to be able to hire more medics to replace them, because they're already overburdened by paying that salary where those doctors are already away. And that is what has caused the shortage of human resource for health in the counties, even as we achieve or we strive to achieve universal health coverage. So our ask is the national government to take up the salaries or the upkeep of these doctors the same way they have taken up the tuition, or rather they're paying the fee for the postgraduates. That will give an opportunity or a chance in the payroll for the counties to replace these doctors, even if it's on temporary basis, by hiring doctors on short-term basis who can be able to replace them.
Right, that's a wrap for News Desk. Thank you for watching. My name is Fatihia Mohammed.